All right, folks, welcome back to another electrifying episode. Today, we're setting our sights on something that's not just fascinating, but absolutely essential for our day-to-day lives: aviation. It's more than just flights on a schedule. It's about bridging distances, powering trade, and even nurturing our social connections. Imagine hopping onto a plane. It's like climbing aboard a colossal metal bird that glides over mountains, oceans, and entire continents. But here's the twist. This precious industry is under the spotlight to shrink its carbon footprint. Our title today is Flying into a Greener Future: Aviation's Path to Net Zero Emissions by 2050.
Wow, that's super interesting. I had no idea how connected everything is. So what's actually being done to address this issue?
Great question. The aviation industry has pledged to reach net zero emissions by 2050, and this aligns with the EU Green Deal and the Paris Agreement. It's serious business. Just think, that's only a bit more than 20 years from now. One of the standout initiatives is called Destination 2050. It's really about collaboration, bringing all kinds of players together: airlines, airports, stakeholders, and uniting them in this quest.
So does that mean airlines are teaming up? Like, the Avengers of the Sky or something?
Chuckling. Exactly. You could definitely call them the aerial Avengers. Each airline has its unique strengths, a bit like superheroes with special powers, tackling different facets of the challenge. A big focus right now is on sustainable aviation fuels, or SAF, which are crucial for cutting down emissions. Picture SAF as the super fuel that's set to revolutionize air travel.
Super fuel? That sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Can you break it down for me? How do these fuels even work?
Absolutely. Sustainable aviation fuels are derived from renewable sources and are designed to drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The goal is to have 70% of aviation fuels come from SAF by 2050. It's like transitioning from regular gasoline to an eco-friendly option that won't hold us back from soaring through the skies, all while shedding that heavy carbon load.
Oh wow, that's kind of mind-blowing. But how realistic is this plan? Do they even have the infrastructure in place for this? Or is it just like a pie-in-the-sky idea? Laughs.
Great point. The latest roadmap really emphasizes the need for solid cooperation among all players: regulators, industry partners, everyone. They're calling for investments in research and infrastructure to support these groundbreaking technologies. It's a heavy lift, but certainly within reach, with unified effort.
So it's like everyone needs to jump on this plane together, or it's just not going to take off?
Exactly. Each contributor needs to play its role. They're also exploring advancements in both aircraft and engine technologies that could lead to emissions reductions of about 20 to 25%. Just think of aviation as a relay race. If one runner stumbles, the entire team's chances of winning are affected.
That's a neat analogy. But what's the deal with air traffic management? Is there tech in the works to help with that too? Laughs.
Absolutely. Upgrades in technology can improve routes and minimize delays, enhancing efficiency while also reducing emissions. Imagine slicing through the sky more directly, like a hawk on the hunt. That's how innovative air traffic management can reshape flying.
Wow, that just sounds so amazing. So, are we going to see more innovation and a greener flying experience really soon? Laughs.
The vision laid out in this roadmap is ambitious and aims to position Europe as a pioneer in sustainable aviation. It's about setting the benchmark for a cleaner future in air travel. But remember, it won't be an easy road. It requires relentless innovation and the backing of all involved policymakers, researchers, the industry. Everyone has to get on board.
It sounds like a monumental task, but definitely worthwhile. So the aviation sector is ready to tackle this challenge, huh?
Absolutely. The road to achieving net zero emissions is complex, but it's achievable through innovation and dedicated policy efforts. Here's to the future of aviation. Let's hope it really takes off to new heights.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see where it goes. It feels like we're on the brink of something super exciting. Are there any specific countries leading the way in this green aviation movement?
Great question. Countries like Norway and Sweden are certainly ahead, pioneering various initiatives such as carbon offset programs and intense focus on sustainable fuels. They're showing the rest of Europe the way.
Wow, that's so inspiring. Laughs. It feels like a collective action could really make a significant difference, huh?